Hello everybody, and welcome to the Crown Lounge, where today we're going to make a Kiwi Kick. So this recipe does call for egg whites. With the price of eggs, we're not going to use egg whites. Eggs are precious right now. It's like oil. No, just kidding. Plus I wanted to try, I've never tried the Aquafaba powder before. So let's see how well it does. Does it foam up like egg whites or no? But anywho, in our shaker cup, because we're going to do a dry shake first. First, in our shaker cup, we're going to go half a kiwi diced and muddled. All right, with our half kiwi, we're going to muddle it a little bit right now. Then we're going to add 1.5 ounces of a white rum. I just got some Havana Club here. Next, we're going to do 1/2 ounce of a Melon Liqueur. Got a little extra, make it a little more greener. Next, we're going to go 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Next, we're going to go 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And last, I'm going to go with a spoon full of the Aquafaba powder. Then we're going to give it a dry shake for about 15 seconds. Or more, till you get tired. But try to get tired though while you're shaking it. Next, we're going to add some ice. I'm going to pour it straight into the glass. Add a little more ice to it. Look at that color, it's nice and foamy. All right, so not really into garnishing, but I had some kiwi. Bam! Look at there. Here you have it. A Kiwi Kick. Cheers. That kiwi, you can taste it. I don't dislike kiwis. I don't think I eat enough of kiwis. But I will drink enough of kiwis if I can. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Cheers.